Yeah? Yeah.
Stop being a little brat. Stop. Stop thumping. Stop being mad.
That's just a stupid boulder.
It's not just a boulder. It's a rock.
Are you hungry? Say yeah.
Dexter, do you want to say something to all of your fans? Oh.
I just realized I've had Ruger for 5 years and Lola for 12, and I've never told them my name.
My name's Taylor.
Learning how to speak my dog's language. So it comes more from like back here, eh? Like, and then we just go nuts. Thank you.
All right. Good morning, everybody.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy.
Kiss your dog on the head and record their reaction.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake gum.
You really just...
What would the mommy blow raspberries on your belly? Tina? Do you like them? Do you? You want me to do them again? Tina, do it again. Tina, do you like them? You crazy.
Wakey, 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 wakey. It's time for school. Come on. Wake up. It's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
Guys, I'm at a plant nursery right now. It's so quiet. But look at this.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
Cyrus, The people want to know. Can we get an a whoop? Thank you.
Diggy.
In my house, we have to be really careful about going on top of blankets, and I'm going to show you why.
Show your baby as a newborn versus now.
She boogie board.
Oh, stop it. No.
I got a video of her that she boogie boarding.
Oh, no, stop it. Okay.
Ready, Daisy?
This is
Ready?
Daisy, and what's your name?
Babe.
Daisy.
Pray to God. Pray. Pray for them.
Oh, thank you, Daisy.
How long you had her?
He doesn't have a clue what's going on. Michael, you poor sweet thing. You don't have a thought behind those eyes, do you? Sweet boy.
What's going on? What's going on? What's happening? Did Ivar try to get in here again with you?
Oh no. Oh no. Toad, it's okay. Tell me. It's okay. I'm gonna get. That's it for him. He's in a lot of trouble.